Do you know how these pills and capsules are made? In the dust-free workshop, the workers push the ground powder to the dryer. Set the time and temperature here. And the dry granules here turn into little pills. This is a tablet press. The pressure bar on top can release the tons of pressure at a time. There are pipes hidden in the compression rods that can fill the powder into the mold below. As soon as you press down, the powder is compressed into the shape of a tablet. We're looking at this in slow motion. And this tablet press actually makes 5,000 pills every minute. Every 15 minutes, they take out 5 samples to check the hardness of the pills to ensure they meet quality standards. In order to prevent moisture and avoid bitterness, some tablets are also wrapped in a film. This is a membrane coating machine. Just pour the pills in through these pipes. The coating solution can be evenly sprayed on the surface of the tablet. The coating solution is composed of water and food coloring. Spray continuously for 40 minutes and the film will be wrapped. The white pill has turned yellow. A manufactured tablet with or without a coating, it's all bottled here on a glass sealed slide. The tablets are fed into a filling machine via a counter connected to a computer. The pills will be many and one not many accurately put into the bottle. Unlike pills, the capsule powder is poured directly into the shell. The shell is made of gelatin and is divided into upper and lower halves. The powder for each capsule is filled to the same standard. It comes out of the filler as a complete capsule. The capsules follow the track through the front weighing meter. Only capsules that meet the weight standard will enter the following packaging process. It's a transparent polyethylene sheet that's been hot pressed to make room for the capsule. The packaging machine pushes the capsule in and pastes a sheet of aluminum foil on the back. Aluminum foil conceals the capsule and scope various drug information.